guys, it has been a long time. You all have been waiting for some product which would help you make your Interceptor or your Classic 350 or your any other model of Royal Enfield tubeless, because those bikes are really heavy when you push them. So today in this video I'm going to show you one particular product which I have recently come across in Rider Mania, which will help you to make your tire, your wheels tubeless with your stock existing rims. So there are many who don't opt for alloy wheels, and many they are actually looking for some solution. Few people opt for tire sealants, tube sealants, but I don't know how far these work. But the product which I'm going to show you in this video gives you 97% accuracy. So follow me in this video. This is your friend Vaibhav Agarwal, and welcome back to another video of Idler Experiments. Follow me to the product stall. So friends, I am at Way2Speed stall, and one particular product which they have launched very recently is a solution to make your Royal Enfields and your bikes tubeless. So let's move on to the stall, let's see the product, and we'll let you know how far the product works. Finally, I'm with the founder of Way2Speed, Mr. Melvin, and we are going to check out his product. So Melvin, what are we what's the new product? What's the new thing with Way2Speed?
Since you know that we are exhaust manufacturer.
Yeah. And trust me, I have been using his exhaust for quite a long time. I've used his exhaust and still it is fresh with me. I've used it on my Thunderbird. So I can vouch on their exhaust. They are really good quality with ceramic wool, right?
Yeah, ceramic.
All are with ceramic wool.
Yeah. Every model has this.
Yeah. So you also have Scrambler model exhaust for Interceptor. Yeah, 650. So they are constantly into R&Ds. They keep on bringing out new products, and which are very much of utility to riders. So Melvin, what's this new thing? So
we come up with a sealant which works as a buffer between the spoke wheels and the rim drop dead center. So what it does is like it is a semi-viscous fluid. As you can see, it goes on top of the spokes and it seals and forms a thick layer on the top, so that it seals the spokes airtight. It is basically your rubber, normal rubber, butyl rubber, which is the same material which is used to make your tubes. So it seals the whole area from the top. And also you may want to know that what if my spokes get damaged in the future.
Exactly. That's the main question.
These are the questions people ask me, because see, they find this product very attractive, but they are like little they feel that it can be vulnerable. Yes, it is vulnerable. Your spokes might get damaged at some point, but this will still act like a tubeless. That one or two corresponding spokes are going to be leaking like a tubeless puncture. This can be repaired. We have a solvent for cleaning it and a repair kit which is going to fix those issues completely. All you will have to do is like mark the patch and like clean it and like refill it. Okay. So another thing is like I wanted to explain about this material property. This was tested by the American Society for Testing Materials and given a certification. This can withstand temperature from negative 55 to minus 55 degrees to 250 degrees Celsius. And it has got a elongation, that is like stretchability. You can stretch it like a rubber band of 500%. Yeah. So that means like, let's say your size is like 1 inch, can be stretched up to 5 inches. So the idea is to seal the whole thing. The kit also comes with the tubeless valve stem for filling the air, same like your car and your other tubeless bikes. So it goes into the corresponding hole, and like you put the seat around it as well. So you let it see, the installation process itself is like just 15 minutes. But before that, you have to through your wheels. We have given a thread locker. The spokes has to be like tightened with the thread locker to keep it in position. Then after that, you are sealing the top with our sealant, the butyl polymer. Once the butyl polymer is formed semi-viscous, still it's semi-viscous state, you put a nipple stem and the corresponding hole, tighten it, seal it from the sides.
So it is a complete process of, let's say 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes is the installation.
For a per wheel, But it takes 20 to 25 hours for it to completely cure. As you saw it personally, like it forms a thick rubber. And see, we would love to show to your audience how strong it is. See, it's a sharp edge object which is like being pierced. It doesn't puncture a hole or anything, but it can get damaged when there is a damage here for 200%. But still, it won't be like a how it leaks on a.
So at least I can manage by refilling air rather than pushing my bike all along to a puncture stall.
See, forget about getting stranded in an unknown area. You get caught in a major busy city like Bombay or Bangalore or Calcutta. You're in the right extreme end. You have a puncture. For you to go from the right extreme end to the left extreme itself will take you 20-30 minutes. You can't push your bike. You'll be stuck in the traffic. You'll be getting cursed by everyone. You yourself will lose your temper. See, the problem is like we didn't make something which is going to make your tire invincible. Your tires are going to have puncture like as usual. You will have usual punctures, but we'll make your life less painful by like you can carry a puncture kit or go to the nearest center without removing the wheel itself. Put a puncture patch and fix it. It doesn't only seal it from the top like airtight. It also maintains the integrity of the spokes. One may ask, what if the spokes are not flexible? See, spokes will be flexible as usual, but what it does is it holds the spoke nipple from the top in its position so that it doesn't rotate. But it helps it to have all its flexibilities and everything.
So our spokes are not rigid. They don't face a rigidity. Rather, they are still flexible with the
adequate support from both ends, and it is held properly. It will have a lateral flex also, but when you have a huge impact, like any tubeless, if the rim and the spokes fail, it's going to fail. See, as you see, a thin layer is formed on top of it, like a very soft thing. See, I want to show you, like it has a very good elongation, like up to 500 times. 500% it elongates. So when you press, nothing happens. I mean, it cleans. See, I'll show you.
If I want to, for any reasons, I want to remove the solution completely. I can do that, right?
Yes, you have a solvent which we will give it to you at that time for you to clean completely. When you apply it, and it breaks the chemical bond in the rubber, and it becomes viscous as usual. All you have to do is after that use thinner or something and like clean it completely.
So guys, this is the Way2Speed's tubeless conversion kit. So let's see what we get inside this. So this is what we get. So we get 2 of these valves, bent ones, 2 sealant solutions. You get this device to push the solution into your rims, the thread lockers. So I think this is a very good product and thumbs up for these. So friends, this was Melvin from Way2Speed. Do let us know how you love the product, how much you like the product, and what are your views for this product. I think Melvin, you'll be uploading a video soon, or the video is on.
We have an installation video.
They already have an installation video. And check out the channel, which is Way2Speed. You just Google it and you'll get the complete installation videos. I'm vouching for the product. Like, I really like the product. So very soon, Melvin, I'll also be getting this product on my Interceptor. So do let me know in the comments below how you like the product, what are your views for this product, and how worth do you find this product? What is the price? Before we end the video, what is the price for the product?
We wanted to make it very affordable for everyone to access it, because see, most of the solutions which is available in the market, like the alloy wheel or tubeless conversion adhesive tapes, they are not less than 15,000 and plus a huge installation price. So what we made is like this will cost you only like 5,000 rupees for both the wheels, including all the kit as you show. So that all you have to do is you have to pay an installation charge to your mechanic and like get it done.
So I think 5,000 is the product. Let's say another 500 bucks for the installation. So 5,500, your complete Interceptor or your Royal Enfield turns into a tubeless machine. So the hassles of getting a puncture is gone. You have got a 97% accuracy, we can say. Yeah, so 97% accurate product. So thank you friends for this watching the video, and do support the channel by liking, subscribing, and do share this video. Let your friends know about this product.